In this video, I'm gonna tell you, even when the vaccines are incredibly important to fight against the disease, why the scientists are struggling so much to make the COVID-19 vaccine available to the general population. The World Health Organization has mentioned that it may take around 18 months to develop the COVID-19 vaccine. Hello everyone, welcome to another coronavirus update. I'm Dr. Ravindra, consultant general surgeon. Today I will let you know the scientific reasons behind the delay in making the COVID-19 vaccine available to us. Keep watching. Around 50 companies and academic institutions are involved in the vaccine development. 500 clinical studies worldwide are registered with the World Health Organization Clinic Trial Registry as of March 2020. On 2nd April 2020, University of the Pittsburgh School of the Medicine reported the creation of a promising possible COVID-19 vaccine named Pitcovac. News of such vaccine development in China, Australia and other parts of the world are not new. But the question is, are they safe and reliable? Why are not these drugs approved by the US Food and Drug Administration? It's because no any drugs or vaccines can be labeled safe and reliable until and unless it has been tested in adequate population through trials. The study of the efficacy of the vaccines and their potential side effects are essential before they can be used in general population that is millions and billions in number. Now let me tell you an example. In the Philippines, November 2017, the vaccine against the dengue named Dengvaxia was yanked from the Philippine market because of the safety issues. The vaccine was facilitated for the approval with undue haste, and the clinical trials to study the vaccine meticulously were not well designed. This led to death of several children from various complications allegedly attributed to the dengue vaccine. Hence, for any drug or vaccine to be sold, it needs to go through a standard process of clinical trials, including phase 1 to 3, which takes months to years and involves recruitment of thousands of people. This ensures that the vaccine is safe, will not do harm, and know how effective it is. Remember, all the drugs, even including the paracetamol we are consuming, were clinically trialed through sequential phases before they were made available to us. So let's find out what are the phases of clinical trial. How are they conducted? The drug or vaccine has to undergo 3 phases before a regulatory review, that is approval by the government body, after which the drug or the vaccine is distributed in the general population. Phase 1 trial. It examines a small group of healthy people, typically between 20 to 80 individuals, who receive different doses of an experimental treatment. It evaluates the vaccine for safety and immune response at different doses. For COVID-19 trials, this is expected to take 3 months. It can typically take 1 to 2 years for other drugs. At present, the vaccines we have developed are in this phase 1 clinical trial. The phase 2 clinical trial. In this trial, the study of the hundreds of people that evaluates the safety, assesses the efficacy, and informs the optimal dose and the vaccine schedule. For COVID-19 trials, this is expected to take 8 months, which can typically take 2 to 3 years for other drugs. Phase 3 trial. In this trial, study of the thousands of people are done to evaluate the safety and the efficacy of the vaccine. For COVID-19 trials, this phase may be combined with the phase 2, and this can take typically 2 to 4 years in case for other drugs. After the 3 phases of the clinical trial, the government body reviews the trial data and all the information in the licensing application to approve the new vaccine. This typically takes 1 to 2 years, but is likely to be expedited to take only a few months. After the approval, phase 4 begins, where the new vaccine is made available to the general population and effectiveness in the real-world condition is monitored. Thus, the time-taking steps of the vaccine approval is to ensure the safety of people so that the millions and billions would not have to stake their life and get affected with the injection of a new vaccine. And that's the end of the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notified every time I post a video.